Today I'm going to be swapping out the sway bar link in the H3. It got bent somehow. Not sure how, but now my alignment's all messed up, and hopefully this will fix it. I'm under the old 06 right now. As you can see, the sway bar link is bent quite severely. Hit those threads with some penetrating oil. And got the penetrating oil doing its job. Working on those threads. And I've got an adjustable wrench on the nut. I've got a little Allen socket here. Make sure to get a real nice connection there, otherwise it'll strip out. So I'm gonna actually be spinning the joint, and the adjustable wrench is gonna be remaining solitary while the entire joint spins out. Alright, I got that one out there. I've got the adjustable wrench pushing on the tire there, and I'll keep cranking with the ratchet. Alright, got to a spot where the Allen stripped out. So I'll just pop on my 18mm socket on this end, and I'll put the adjustable wrench on this end here, which is sort of a hex nut thing, but it's attached to that actual bolt. So hopefully I can get it out that way, otherwise I'll have to get the cutting wheel out. Alright, I've got a greasable sway bar link from Moog. Good upgrade. As you can see, I can have it with the grease zerks pointing out or in. I'm going to do pointing in. I've also got some blue thread locker, the removable stuff, so that I can keep these nuts tight. Got that in. Now for a little bit of thread locker. Alright, and on the back side there, I'll slide on this box wrench. It's a little loose, but we'll see if it'll get it done. There we are, brand new Moog high quality sway bar link. Thanks for tuning in and watching another episode of H3 Humper. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Shout out to my support on Patreon. Your contributions are greatly appreciated and helps me provide all this juicy H3 content.